Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enter an activation code in the CCleaner app on your phone. This process is simple and quick, and it will help you unlock the full features of the app. Whether you just purchased a subscription or received a code from a promotion, this guide will make it easy to activate. First, open the CCleaner app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three lines icon at the top right corner and tap on it. This will open the menu where you can access different settings. Then, find and select the section called My Subscription. This is where you can manage your current subscription or enter new activation codes. After that, tap on Use an Activation Code. A text box will appear where you can enter the activation code you have received. Carefully type in your activation code, making sure there are no mistakes or extra spaces. Once you have entered the code correctly, tap on Use this code to activate your subscription. The app will then verify the code, and if it is valid, your subscription will be activated, unlocking all the premium features. Finally, you can start using all the additional benefits that come with your activated subscription in CCleaner. If you encounter any issues during the process, double-check the code or contact CCleaner support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.